Hey crafty friends, I have a design team project for ASC Supplies on Etsy. She has the brand new Graphic 45 Love Notes collection. It is stunning. Reminds me so much of the Mon Amour collection that was red and black and cream. Just gorgeous. So head over there and check her out. All the links will be in the description box down below. So I had this Prima album. One time I went to Michael's and they had all their Prima albums on sale. Gosh, was it 80% off? So I bought like 5 of them. And so this is this 8.5 or 8? 8.25 by 8.5 and a 2-inch spine. Over at ASC Supplies, she does have pre-made albums, not the Prima, but she does have pre-made albums. So if you're digging that, go check that out. So this one's designed so that it's more flexible with this cool, I don't know what you call it, but it's kind of neat. Pages are real heavy, heavy chipboard. And this album is a little bit puffy. And the reason it is not because there's too much paper in it. It's because I used some metal and glass embellishments that kind of made it puff out like that. So let's look at the front. And I used a Spellbinders die here and throughout the entire album I used it. So there's the spine, and then the back is the same paper as on the front. I used a lot of chipboard that I had in my stash, and what I did was I put the Versamark all over the chipboard, and then I used ultra thick embossing powder in clear to make them look shiny and pretty like that. You can get the Versamark from ASC Supplies. I'm not real sure about the clear embossing powder, but I know she does have some embossing powders. So then we've got the flat back pearls. She does carry those in her store. This is a pocket watch from Michael's from a long time ago. And then this is a chipboard piece from the chipboard collection. Where words fail, music speaks. So let's go inside. All right, our first and second page. So here I have the chipboard music, and it says music can change the world. We've got a pocket down here, and this opens, and this will fit a 4x6 with a border left around. So that's why I didn't put paper on it. And then you can write, you know, your journaling information on the back. Then we have these 2 small pullouts that you can put photos in and then journal on the back. On this page, I used this really pretty chipboard piece with the cherubs and their little arrows, and they are pointing them at if music be the food of love, play on. And this is one of the ephemera cards. You can put photos inside, journaling on the back. However you want to do, or you can put photos on each one. So this opens up like this. And then you've got a pocket on this side. This is one of the stickers from the sticker sheet. We got some photo mats, stickers on the back, and then this opens like this. And so lots of room for different size photos or a large photo. And then you've got these 2 pull-out photo mats and room for journaling or more photos on the back. So then our next 2 pages, this one This says music gives a soul to the universe, and this is a chipboard from the chipboard collection. This opens magnetized. There's 2 pull-out journaling cards there. There's stickers, and then this folds down, and you've got room for photos, and if you want to put a photo there as well. So it's all magnetized. Then back here, we have one of the larger ephemera cards and room for photos or more journaling. All right, and then we've got that Spellbinders die here, and this is another chipboard. It's a heart with it's supposed to be like a lock, and then this is the key here. And that opens like that, and we've got a little pull-out photo mat there. This opens like that, and on each side there's a little photo or journaling booklet. And then we've got a sticker here that says Love Notes, and this one, music is the silence between the notes. This is a sticker, and I just fussy cut around it. We've got this photo booklet and this one. Then we've got these 2 pages, and what I did was a double corner pocket there. We've got the chipboard that says loved. This is one of the ephemera pieces, and then made a little pocket, and this pulls out. Oh, it's just flat for journaling. And a photo on the back if you would like. And then we have 2 photo mats here, and I used chipboard at the top. And then you can, these are actually like pockets, so you could put another photo, you know, tucked in there if you like, and journal here. And then this side, this is a beautiful one of the ephemera cards. Music gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Let me call you sweetheart, angel of mine, and heart's desire. So I used this beautiful chipboard piece, and I did that same treatment, and then I added the pearls, and that opens like this. And then we've got a tuck spot with 2 4x6 photo mats here. Then this opens magnetized this way, and you have this little photo booklet or journaling booklet that tucks in there. All right, this one, there's a lot going on over here. So this is what I did with this chipboard piece. I've got these glass pieces. These are from Craft Fantastic. Gosh, did I miss them all along the way? This one is from Craft Fantastic. The setting, the glass. Yeah, that's it so far. So I added the pearls to this really pretty chipboard piece. And over here I have a tuck spot. This is from the chipboard part of the collection. And this flips up, and this opens up. So you could put smaller photos in here, or you could just use that for journaling. Then this opens, and this opens, and then you've got 2 4x6 photo mats there, and you have this little photo booklet or journal card, whatever, and then that closes back up. Then on this page, we have a simple fold up, you know, photo area here. We have this little photo booklet or journaling booklet that tucks in there. And this is from Craft Fantastic, the glass and the metal. And then we have 2 4x6 photo mats here. This has got a lot of real estate. This is 14 total pages in this album. So these two pull out like this, and I have the chipboard at the top and journaling spots in the back, with both of them have this as a pocket. Okay, so those go back in there, and I have these black hearts. I fussy cut the paper to fit inside, and then these are Craft Fantastic metal and glass. I just broke off the little charm because these are made to go on necklaces, and I just break those off, no problem. So easy. All right, on this page, I've had these for a long time. I don't know what they are, but they look like hinges, and I used a little glass piece here. I added the pearls, and this is one of the journaling cards. I added pearls to that. That's magnetized. That opens like this, and we've got this little pull out where words fail, music speaks. That tucks in there, and then we have this one that tucks in. Music is the silence between the notes. And then I have a chipboard piece right here. All right, our last two pages, we have this pull out, and this one I turned into a little booklet. So we got the chipboard here with the pearls, and then here this, does that lift up? Yeah, this lifts up, and then this is a tuck spot, so you could tuck photos back here. And that goes in there. And then we've got two little either photo booklets or journaling booklets. And then I have this really nice, what was this? Like a perfume bottle. And I added the clock to the top, and papered and stickers, and a chipboard piece that says music. And then our last page mimics the very first page, which is this pocket at the bottom. I added this chipboard frame, added the pearls, and there's a chipboard piece from the chipboard collection. And then this is a photo booklet, and you've got journaling room there. And then these two are small little photo booklets or journaling booklets. So there you go. This collection is gorgeous. That's what it looks like. This is for sale. All my creations are for sale. So if you're interested in this, please email me in the link down below. I'll be honest, let me just tell you right off the bat. If I was to custom make this for somebody, I'd probably ask $200. But because it's already created and I just need to move it out, I would be willing to take $125 with $10 shipping. So it's probably going to be about $15 shipping. So $125 plus 15 is $140. So if you're interested in this, you can reach me in the description box down below with my email. Okay. Thanks for watching. All the links to ASC Supplies will also be in the description box down below. I implore you to go check out all the goodness over there. Fabulous. I'm so lucky to be on her design team. All right. Thanks for watching. Happy scrappy day. Bye.